What's up, guys? This is Brainiac coming back with another flawless video here. Now, you all know me as the Mazda guy, the Mazda vlogs. You know, I have had other videos in the past. Well, they've never worked out for me, and that's not the point for this video today. The point for this video today is because I've been absent for 2 weeks. I just want to let you guys know I'm still here, still gonna have mods coming up. I just have a cold, and I might cough throughout this video, so I apologize for that. But I got an email today also from YouTube saying that the monetization I'm not gonna be liable for or eligible for in February 20th, 2018 because I'm not at 1,000 subscribers, and I would like to hit that 1,000 subscriber mark. Now, the way that I see you guys helping me out is if I daily grind videos, make awesome entertainment, Mazda mods, not all the time, as much as I can, because that is a lot of money that I put out, and that's the reason I want monetization, so that I can have the monetization money for just the car, and then my actual job where I work, that will pay my bills, because I have a huge car payment, or not a huge car payment, a huge car insurance bill, and it's ridiculous because I'm gonna say this out loud. You guys probably didn't believe me on this. I am 17 years of age. I am very young. I'm still in high school, and you guys probably didn't know that. Well, the truth came out today. My name is Ethan Paulus. If you guys ever want to look me up on Facebook, 17 years of age, guys. But putting all that aside too, I want to hit that $1,000 or $1,000. Hit that 1,000 subscriber mark. And the way that I see that I could do it, like I just said, is grind out videos, grind out mods, and as of right now, I'm doing a giveaway. So when we hit that 1,000 subscriber mark on the giveaway, you guys will receive free bumper clips for your car. Now, they're universal, so you can put them anywhere on your car. As long as you have a drill to drill a hole and strap the rubber bands around, you're a-okay. Now, I'll give you guys obviously the choice, whoever is the winner at the 1,000 subscriber mark. Color differences, you know, as long as it's a bumper clip and it's affordable enough for me to give to you. Now, it's free to you guys, but money always does come into play. Now, I'll definitely have money to do that for you guys because I gotta give away back to the channel, you know. I just see you guys help me out, I'm gonna help you out. Now, when we hit the 2,000 subscriber mark, it might be a little bit something bigger. When I have money and stuff like that, listen, it might be lug nuts, it might be racing seatbelts, it might be endless things, and it will be super cool to hit that 2,000 mark. I can't even think about it that far ahead. But my end of my high school year is coming up, and I really want to hit that 1,000, you know, subscriber mark. So if you guys can help me out, I'll help you guys out, and you guys will win yourself a free set of bumper clips. So I'll see you guys at that 1,000 subscriber mark, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and I'm gonna start daily grinding. So, like I said, have another flawless video, and I'll catch you guys later. Comment, like, and subscribe down below, and deuces, people. Yo, what's up, guys? I hope you guys enjoyed my flawless video here. Please hit that subscription in the left corner and check out my videos on the right. I hope you guys do enjoy my videos. I love creating them for you, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Deuces, people.